Hi guys, welcome to Bite Size Excel. In this video, we're going to take a quick look at some options for sorting and formatting your data. So we've got our example table here, our stock list, and we want to sort by which ones had the highest sales value in the last quarter. So we've got two options here. We need to select our table, go to Data, and click on this sort column. And we want to sort by sales value, cell values. Obviously, you can also sort by cell color or the font type. And we want to go largest to smallest. And as you can see, that's then sorted our table from the highest sales value down to the lowest. Another option that you have in the sort button here is to sort by multiple levels. So for example, say you want to sort by your item type and then your inventory ID. So we select item type, cell values. We don't want it Z to A, we want it A to Z. And then we want to add a level. And on our second level, we want to do it by inventory ID. And again, cell values A to Z. We click OK. We'll now see we've got our books first in ascending inventory number. And that just is another way of sorting data. Another good way of sorting data is to add a filter to our header column. So if we select our header row, click on this button under the Data tab, Filter, you'll now see that we filtered all our columns. It's actually filtered off to the side in this instance. I'm just going to delete those rows. I had data in those rows earlier on. And what we can then do is select these little drop downs at the top and it will give us a variety of sorting options. So say we want to look at which one has the lowest unit price. We select our little arrow next to our unit price and smallest to largest. Equally, if we want to go back and do what we did earlier on, where we sort by the highest sales value, we select largest to smallest. Another benefit of this is that we might want to look at, say, our top 10s or other similar things. If we select this drop down arrow and go to number filters, you can search by a range of different options. So you can search by something that is greater than a particular sum. So say we want to look at sales that are greater than £5,000. So greater than £5,000. Or say greater than or equal to. Click OK. It will just filter it by those that have that value that is above that amount. If you want to bring back the full table, up here in your Data tab is a clear button. Or if we click again where the little filter is, you can clear the filter just from that value. Equally, it has some presets. So for example, in this one, we can look at the top 10. Top 10 items. You might only want to look at the top 5 items. And when we're ready, we click OK. We can then also sort it from largest to smallest. And we can also say, okay, these are our top 10 sales items, but we only want those that are, say, £50 or less. We can select them individually. So to do that, we uncheck the Select All button and just highlight the values we want. And there we go, we've filtered now by 2 separate columns. Equally, we can just clear a filter from one, or if we hit this button up here on your Data tab, it'll clear it from the entire sheet. I hope you found this video useful. Please do like and subscribe, and hope to see you on the next video. Bye now.